Greetings from Puerto Rico. Hey everybody, it's Ryan. And greeting from the rainforest. Now if you look up into the mountains, you'll see where all of this water rushes down from. And here is the river. Now Puerto Rico is actually experiencing a drought right now. Just goes to show you exactly how much water comes down through the rainforest to the river, which is a perfect place for lunch. There is a bridge if you're driving through. Just wanted to stop and take an overlook. You can go in the water, indeed. Although it's not deep enough right now, you can walk through. And a great place for throwing pebbles, indeed. That's just a quick glimpse from Puerto Rico. Till next time.